we have an example here of multiplying rational algebraic expressions. So, tatandaan natin, when we multiply rational algebraic expressions, meron tayong tatlong concepts na kailangang tandaan. Number one, the concept of multiplying integers, since we are dealing with multiplication here, so we need to familiarize the laws or the rules in multiplying integers. Ikalawa, ang ating laws of exponents. So, kailangan tatandaan natin ang mga laws of exponents na discuss on our previous year or our previous topics natin. Then, we have the factoring. Ikatatlo, yung factoring. Kasi, dito sa case na multiplying rational algebraic expressions, we will be dealing too much with factoring para mas madali ang pag-multiply natin ng mga polynomials. So we have here example number 1, 24m cubed n squared all over 35r squared q cubed times 30r to the 7th r q to the 5th all over 22m to the 5th n cubed. So, ang gagawin natin dito, aalamin natin yung factors ng numbers. Then, i-retain muna natin yung mga exponents. So, we have here 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times n cubed n squared all over 7 times 5 r squared q cubed times 6 times 12, so 2 times 3 times 5 times r to the 7, q to the 5th. Then we have 2 times 11 times m to the 5th and q. So, ika-cancel out natin yung mga pareho. So, we have 2 here, cancel ang 2, atong 5, makapatanggal rin. So, ang natira, so 2 times 2, 4, 12. Times 2, 24, times 3, so we have 72. M cubed, n squared, r to the 7th, q to the 5th, all over. 7 times 11, so 77. M to the 5th, n cubed, r squared, q cubed. Then, we will apply the laws of exponents dito sa ating mga variables. Ito, since malaki ang nasa baba, so dito tayo magsasubtract sa baba. Ito naman, mas malaki ang sa taas, so doon tayo magsasubtract sa taas. So we have 72. Ang m at saka n, mas malaki ang exponent ng nasa baba. So doon tayo sa baba. So ang consider na lang muna natin, yung sa r at saka sa q. So r, 7 minus 2, q, 5 minus 3. All over 77, m, 5 minus 3, n, 3 minus 2. So, ang final answer natin dito is 72, r to the 5th, q squared, all over 77, n squared, n to the power of 1 or n. So, ito na yung pinaka-final answer natin. 72, r to the 5th, q squared, all over 77, m squared, n. Or pwedeng i-rearrange natin by alphabet. So, 72, q squared, r to the 5th, all over 77, m squared, n. Both of them are the same. So we have here example number 2. Y squared minus 1 all over y squared minus 2y plus 1 times y squared minus 4y plus 4 all over y squared minus 4. So ang tatandaan pa rin natin, we will know first the concepts of factoring, laws of integers, and laws of exponents. So in this case, para mas madali sa atin, we will factor out first. Lahat-lahat dito. So i-factor out natin dito, magiging, sorry. Masyado tayo mahaba. So factors ng y squared minus 1 by difference of 2 squares. So we have y minus 1 times y plus 1. Sa baba, this is a perfect square trinomial. Since 2 divided by 2, 1 times, then squared natin. So, nakakuha tayo ng 1. So, this is a perfect square trinomial. So, we have y minus 1, y minus 1. Nakuha natin ang factor since we will get the factors of 1 na ang sum is negative 2. Times, dito naman, same process as dito. Sa kukuha tayo ng concept ay ng factors ng 4. ng sum is negative 4. So we have y minus 2, y minus 2. Then we have y squared minus 4. So ang factors ng y squared minus 4 by difference of 2 squares, we have y minus 2, y plus 2. Then we will try to cancel kung ano yung mga common factors. So in this case, ang common factors lamang, y minus 1, cancel out na yan. So 1, 1. Then y minus 2, cancel out na rin. Mawawala. And no more. Tandaan, hindi pwede makancel ang y plus 1 sa y minus 1 since magkaiba ng sign ang nasa gitna. So hindi pwede i-cancel. Or cancel lang yung y alone, hindi yan siya pwede. Kasi ito considered as one factor. Hindi pwede makancel ang one factor sa magkaibang factor. So ang final answer natin dito, we have y plus 1, y minus 2, all over y minus 1, y plus 2. Pwedeng naka-factored form ang sagot natin para hindi na kayo mahirapan na mag-FOIL method, or you can use the FOIL method pa rin to multiply these two factors sa numerator and sa denominator. So, if by FOIL method, magiging y squared minus 2y plus y minus 2 all over y squared minus plus 2y minus y minus 2. So, final answer natin dito is y squared minus y minus 2 all over y squared minus plus y minus 2. So, ito na yung final answer natin if this is in product form. Ito nasa factored form, ito yung pinaka-product form natin. So, both of them are actually correct. Both of the equations, both of the solutions, both of the answers are correct. Ito is pinactor na natin, kinuha lang natin yung factor. Then ito, yung multiply na natin yung mga factors. So the answer when we multiply this expression is y squared minus y minus 2 all over y squared plus y minus 2. So we have here example number 3. M squared minus 3m minus 10 all over m squared minus 2m minus 15 times m squared plus m minus 6 all over m squared minus 4. So ang gagawin natin dito, we will factor out first. Ito, lahat yan actually, yung numerator sa first, sa multiplican. Then dito, then yung multiplier, i-multiply rin natin. I-factor out natin. So, kukuha tayo ng factors ng negative 10 na ang sum is negative 3. So, automatic m naman yan. So, factor out natin ang negative 10. Ang factors ng negative 10, pwedeng negative 10 times 1, 10 times negative 1, negative 5 times 2, at saka 5 times negative 2. So, i-add natin ito, mga factors. We have negative 9. This is 9, negative 3, and 3. So, saan dito ang nakuha natin ay negative 3? So, dito, negative 5 and 2. So, ito ang ilalagay natin na partners nitong m. So, negative 5 at saka positive 2. Then, we have m squared minus 2m minus 15. So, same process ang gagawin natin. But I won't show you the process. So, kayo na ang mag-figure out kung paano nakuha ang factor. But I guess, madali nyo siya makukuha. So, factors ng m squared is m and m. Factors ng negative 15, ang sum is negative 2. So, we have negative 5 and positive 3. Since negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Multiplied by factors ng m squared plus m minus 6. So, same process as kinuha natin dito sa pagkuha ng negative 10. Get the factors of negative 6 ng sum is positive 1. So, factors ng m squared is m at saka m. Then we have factors ng negative 6 ng sum is 1, is 3, and negative 2. Bakit 1 ang kinuha natin? Kasi m. Ang coefficient ng m, pag wala siyang coefficient, understood ang coefficient niya is 1. So, m plus 3 times m minus 2. Then, factors ng m squared minus 4. Difference of 2 squares, you have m plus 2 at saka m minus 2. So, na-factor out na natin itong m squared minus 3m minus 10, m squared minus 2m minus 15, m squared plus m minus 6, at saka m squared minus 4. Na-factor out na natin siya. So, we will proceed with cancellation. So, ika-cancel natin yung mga pwedeng makancel. This case, makancel ang m minus 5. So, magiging 1, 1. Makancel rin ang m plus 2. Makancel 1, 1. Ang m plus 3, makancel rin. So, 1, 1. Makancel rin ang m minus 2, 1, 1. So, i-multiply na lang natin lahat ng natira. So, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So, 1 all over 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 rin is 1. So, ang final answer is 1. The irony in this problem is that ang haba-haba ng ating problem, but the answer is short. In this case, 1 lang ang sagot niya. So, when we deal with multiplying rational algebraic expression, hindi natin kailangan dapat matakot kung masyadong mahaba ang ating problem. It's because in behind of those problems, baka maliliit lamang yung sagot. In this case, ang haba ng ating problem, the answer is only 1. So when we try to multiply rational algebraic expressions, tatandaan, especially when we are dealing with polynomials, we need to factor out first. I-factor out natin talaga, as in i-segregate natin. Whole prime factors dapat ang kailangan natin i-factor bago tayo mag-proceed sa cancellation. So, the answer on this problem, m squared minus 3m minus 10 all over m squared minus 2m minus 15 times m squared plus m minus 6 all over m squared minus 4 is equal to 1.